What's up, fellas? It's Chuck back again with Chuck's Hobby Spot. And I was requested a few times to do a kit review on this Atlanta Yellow Fever Competition Coupe. And this is a KEELERS Kustoms. So this kit is 1/25 scale. And I thought we'd go ahead and do what's in the box. And I've already seen what was in the box from a buddy of mine that actually purchased this kit for me, and it looks to be a pretty cool kit. So, and I know they have a whole line of Atlanta's kits out, that like KEELER custom kits. So, and I was able to meet this guy in the casino, and he stopped me and we were talking for a while. So, which was really cool, and I had a good time at the Nationals. He was there at the Nationals, so. James Keeler. Well, anyway, let's cut this box open, see what's in this box, and see if you guys all like it. I'm gonna cut across this box like that. So a lot of people said, "What do you?" Well, not a lot, but I think there was a guy that said, "What do you cut on the box like that for?" And you know why I cut on the box like that? Because I don't build the box. So I build the model. So let's check it out. It doesn't look like there's a lot, but there kind of is. It's a small little kit, but it is, in actuality, it would be normal size. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this out of here. I'm gonna take everything out of here. You guys want to take a good look at the box art? Let's see. There's the decal sheet. There's the kit. Comes with 2 complete engines, tons of extra parts for customizing. KEELERS custom decal sheet, big rubber slicks, small fronts, and cycle tires. Wiring for engine. I didn't even know it came with the wiring for the engine, but we'll check that out. There. I like the box art. It's pretty nice. It tells you a little bit. You guys want to pause it and read it? There you go. So, Atlantis, KEELERS custom logos. So let's check this out. The tires, I think these tires are like spot on, man. Look at them. Very nice pie crust. Small little skinnies. Oh, I'm really liking these, dude. They really put the extra thought into this. Look at that. Wow. Well, I'm kind of already excited. I didn't even notice that in the other kit. Let's go ahead and cut this open here. From what I see in this kit, I'd buy another one of these. Not the exact kit, but another Atlantis kit. There's the body on this. I'm gonna try to get a backdrop on here so you guys can see. There you go. Be able to see a little bit on there. Wow. It's pretty clean. Needs a little cleaning. Lines here are a little out, but I can fix that. So that's what modeling's all about. It's fixing, making it the way you want it. Front end, it's pretty cool. It gives you 2 options there. Pretty nice. The wheels. Turn it over, you can see what they're really like. Let's see here. Does this help a little bit, guys? There you go. Pretty nice. I can work with this. I can work with that. Let's throw this in there. Let's see. The Henry J's coming along pretty good. There's a lot of work that has to be done to that and a lot of prepping to do. I'm gonna get it all in primer. I'll do a quick video on it all, and then I think that I will start on the 85 Oldsmobile, getting that into primer too. So I want to get all my kits started in primer. I like this, man. This is nice. I should be talking about this, huh? Not me. It's pretty nice. I can do a lot with this kit. Look at that. Detailed, man. It's actually pretty detailed. This kit did say it comes with 2 engines, so I think this is one of them. Oh, there's the heads. Pretty crisp and detailed. I'd probably use this engine kit if I used one. Well, I'm gonna use one, but I'd probably use the one that came with this and not an aftermarket, because it's a nice kit. See what we got here. Let's look at the bottom pan. Yep. It's pretty nice. Frame. Looks like the other engine. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. My opinion, this is a nice kit. The decal sheet, man, I think they killed it on the decal sheet, man. So nice. I mean, wow. That's all I gotta say is, wow. It's awesome. Instructions should be pretty typical. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's an Atlantis kit, so it might be a little different. They're a little smaller to read, but for an older guy like me, it's kind of hard to see it. This is blown up, so you can see the 2 different engines there. Comes with a 427 Ford and a Cadillac motor. Don't know which one I'll use. I don't even know when I'll get to this. Wow, that's nice. Maybe I'll build it when Fred builds his. Who knows? But we do plan on doing some build nights. Me, Fred, and Dave Bell, and that's going to be kind of fun. So I don't know how many people. I think it's just us 3, from what I understand. Because we're all kind of close. So I'm actually looking forward to that. So Fred, if you're watching this vid, yeah, dude, it's on, dude. Waiting for Dave to get his shop built up, because he just bought another house. So, and they're all good builders, so it's gonna be a blast. So on this kit comes with this glass, so should be easy to work with. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this and the decal sheet in here. And there we go. That's the kit review for this kit here. And I really enjoy the kit, so I think it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be fun to build. Looking forward to it. And tell me what you guys think if we do a build session, which not if, we're gonna. What you guys think about us doing a video maybe there once every other week or something, maybe. I'm pretty sure they're going to be cool with it, but I mean, these guys are good builders, so I think you guys would probably enjoy seeing that. Maybe I'll put a camera up and we'll all build and we'll all hang out maybe, and you can hang out with us. So anyway, this video is rolling on 10 minutes, and I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do. And here you guys go, the kit review for the Atlantis Keeler's Custom kit that I showed on my stash ad. So, all right, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment. Let me know if you like the kit, and let me know if you built it. I'll check your channel out and see, see what it's all about for reals. But I'm gonna get going. I got some building to do, guys. So, you guys take care. Talk to you later. Bye.